If you've ever been stopped out only to watch price immediately move in your initial direction, this is not bad luck. It is not manipulation, and it is definitely not random. You were liquidity. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you how the market actually moves, why retail traders get trapped, and how professionals use liquidity in order to enter positions with very high precision. Once you understand this, you will never look at price action the same way ever again. Let's fix this permanently. And this concept right here is working generally speaking, but we are gonna use it specifically with this video, this strategy, right at the market open. So go ahead, open Nasdaq on your charts and go ahead and follow exactly what I'm telling you right now, because I'm gonna show you exactly how to identify if the liquidity that you have identified is the correct one or the mistaken one. And in order to identify that, we need to see a very specific pattern. So now I will take you on Friday the 13th of February. It was actually yesterday. Okay. And I will go ahead and begin at 9:29. Here we go. I am on the 1 minute time frame, and you know that right at the open there is a lot of volatility, a lot of volume in the market. So people have a ton of ORB, opening range breakout strategies, and they get manipulated back and forth. But I'm gonna show you a 3 candlestick pattern that is gonna show you which liquidity is the correct one. So stick with me, it is very easy. Okay, now 9:29, 9:30, look what 9:30 does. Manipulates people both towards the downside and also towards the upside. Okay, so you don't wanna be part of this liquidity. You are not doing anything anymore, you don't even need those lines. But as a matter of fact, I will just leave those lines from just a random high and low right here in order to show you that you don't even need them. You don't do anything now anyways. Not yet. You don't even need to go ahead and identify the daily bias. I continue, and you will see the 3 candlestick pattern. Now, many people are incentivized to go long. Is this the correct approach? We will see. Let's see. Okay, more manipulations. And here we are. Okay, here you have your entry. So what you want to see is exactly that, as I'm showing it to you right here. 3 candlesticks followed by different colors on the 1 minute time frame. Let me show you. And I will go through a couple of examples so that you will see that this thing actually works. Let's go ahead, save that, and then put it right here so that it is very nice, clean, and enlarged. There you go. Okay. So you are waiting for the tons of manipulations to take place, and then you're gonna see a 3 candlestick pattern, meaning either bullish, bearish, bullish, or bearish, bullish, and bearish. Here it has happened. Once this happens, and I have, by the way, a free PDF with this strategy and many more examples also on the 5-minute time frame. I did a video the previous week, and I have the PDF, which is absolutely for free down in the description. Download it right now. It is free, guys. Okay. So when you have the bearish, bullish, bearish pattern, you enter right here with a stop loss above candlestick number 2 out of the 3 that created the pattern. Okay. So here you have bearish, bullish, bearish, and you are doing that. Okay. Give it a little bit more space and target at least a 2-to-1 reward to risk. Now, you will ask, Chris, what would happen in this occasion if this would have been the real liquidity and if we would have seen a bullish, bearish, bullish? Then you would enter on the bullish candlestick. Okay, stop loss below candlestick number 2 if there would be a bullish candlestick. Now, grab of liquidity down and up. then up and down again, or down and up, and then you see this huge bullish candlestick. People say, okay, this was the correct liquidity, we are going up. You don't even know if this is the case. It might be the case, it might as well be the case. You are waiting for your 3 candlestick pattern. Okay, let's see if we have it. Bearish, bullish, bearish. Okay, now the stop loss, excuse me guys, will go above candlestick number 1 out of the 3 that created the pattern, not above candlestick number 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 candlesticks. Here you go. This is your trade right here. You target a 2-to-1 reward to risk. Let's see how this plays out. There you go. Wow, this is marginally, actually we hit our take profit, but we did hit our take profit. You can also go for less reward to risk. Okay, and then price moves towards the opposite direction. Now I have gathered a couple of more trades, or I have tested, let's say, a couple more trades. Where are we exactly? We did that. Let's go back and let's check out this day right here. And I have it ready. Let's delete it. Okay. Let's delete it and watch it together. Okay. So let's go to 9:29 right here. We are at 9:29 and we will go ahead. We are at 9:29 now and move to 9:30. Okay. Look at this bullshit. Down, up, whatever the hell it is doing. Manipulating on both sides. Some people thought it was going down. Some people thought now it's going up. Probably they think it grabbed this liquidity, so it needs to go up now. Okay, let's see. You're not doing anything. 9:31, nothing. 9:32, up. Okay, let's see. Bullish, bearish. If we see a bullish candlestick, we will enter. We don't see a bullish candlestick. So if we would see bullish, bearish, bullish, we would enter long. Let's proceed. Bearish again. Bullish. Bullish again. Bearish. Bearish. Bullish. Bearish. Here is your entry. Okay? You can say that here is your entry already. You can leave some impulse to play out, but you don't need it. Bearish, bullish, bearish. Entry. Stop loss. Now this is a very weird scenario. Stop loss can go here, above here. Of course, do it above the highest high. It is very close in this occasion. 2-to-1 reward to risk. Let's see if this works out. Okay. Look at that. And again, and again, and again. Okay, we are not finished. You won this trade. Bearish, bullish, bearish. If somebody wants to enter here, it is also fine. You can have a tight stop loss or above candlestick number 1 if you want to get some more out of the market. I do not suggest it if you have caught the initial trade, but I'm pretty sure this is going to play out as well. Yeah, this plays out, and it would play out for a 2-to-1 also, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, also a 2-to-1. Okay, 2 trades in a row here you could have had. Okay, very nice. More wins. Now we go ahead over here, which is, I will show you if it is a win or a loss. I don't want to spoil it for you. Download the free PDF down in the description. It is absolutely free, guys. If you want to join the amazing community, join it. If you don't want to join, don't join. And if you want, by the way, to perfect your trading and to have guaranteed results, 1,000,000,000% guaranteed, if you follow the things that I'm going to show you, program number 2, 4 sessions, road to profitability, no questions. 1,000,000,000%, there is no question that you will not become profitable. You will 1,000,000,000% become profitable if you follow exactly my teachings in those 4 sessions. Program number 2, so there is plenty of you who are spending thousands and thousands every single week on prop firm challenges. By the way, do so with code ChrisFX if you want. But I would suggest that you go ahead and you purchase that once and you learn forever and go ahead and pass all of your challenges and make money. Let's continue. We are back. Okay, 9:29, 9:30 arrives. We grab this liquidity up. We are not doing anything yet. Okay, we want to see bullish, bearish, or bearish as a pattern, bullish, bearish. Here we enter. Okay, bearish. You enter here. Stop loss, you can have it that large or above this area. It is fine. Let's do it above candlestick number 1 out of the 3. Go, I suggest at least a 2-to-1. Not at least, a 2-to-1 is the one that I suggest. And I know that this is a loss, by the way. But look how close it came. It stopped us out and then it went, showing that this thing works, guys. You will have those annoying losses that you get stopped out for a bit and then price gives you a 50-to-1 reward to risk or whatever it gives you. Here, let's go here. One more day I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you that this thing works, guys. It works like a charm. 9:29. 9:30 has arrived with the typical manipulation. Many people speculate it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. Okay, whatever, nobody knows what it's gonna do. You are on the 1 minute time frame here. Now, theoretically here you have a bullish scenario, but I don't really like this one because it is after the grab of liquidity. So let's see. Here, you see, we have the bearish scenario. You can go ahead and enter here. Okay, this is way stronger than that. So here you will tell me, why didn't you enter? It is only pin bars, guys. There is nothing right here. Okay, bearish, stop loss. You can do it here, all the way up here, maybe it is too much. You can adjust this strategy to your own liking. 2-to-1. RR, and we hit our 2-to-1 RR right here. Fantastic. So you can adjust some things on this strategy and you can go ahead and make it work for you. But I have shown you a way to identify liquidity at the open with a 3 candlestick pattern. Either bullish or bearish, and you can go ahead and download the free PDF on this spectacular strategy. You don't need to overthink situations. I'm showing you also examples where you can take trades with this beautiful strategy on the 5-minute time frame, guys. Okay, so bullish, this would be an example on a bullish bias with a stop loss below this area as an example. And you hit at least your 1-to-1 almost every single time, guys. Okay, so this was our today's strategy. You need to go ahead and join our Discord. Our Discord is the most serious place. It has nothing to do with those silly, stupid, gambling Discords that you are going ahead and you are joining, and you are still at the very same place, and you know it, that you are still at the very same place where you started. So you went ahead, you made a couple of wins, you thought that you know now how to trade, even though deep inside you know that you don't know how to trade. And the problem with me right here is the following. The problem with me is that I'm so honest that at some point you feel like you don't want anything to do with me because you don't like hearing the truth. But because you are not 5 years old or 2 years old and you are well-grown adults, go ahead and follow a spectacular teacher, which is me. Okay, a real teacher who is showing both deposits and withdrawals. He's doing lives every single day. And I told you, if you want to join the mentoring, go ahead and join the mentoring. You will have success 1,000,000,000%. Go ahead and download the free PDF before you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Down in the comment section, all of the links, free PDF is, I think, the first link. Go ahead and download it. It is 1,000,000,000% free. Okay, guys, this is gonna do it for today, and I will see you with our next video. Bye-bye. Much love.